on public demand, I'm going to review a film. After a very long time, I watched an Indian film which is well constructed, well narrated, and well performed. I think this film is the right example that if the story is good, if the film is good, no matter what, that film is going to reach the audience. If not now, then maybe later. Because Ram Prasad Ki Telvi has released on 2019, but now on 2021, people are talking about it. Yes, you got me right. I'm going to talk about Ram Prasad Ki Telvi. Hi, my name is Kalki Krishna. Today I'm going to review about Ram Prasad Ki Telvi, which is streaming on Netflix now. So, as the title says, this film is based on somebody's funeral, the funeral of Ram Prasad, which is acted by Nasiruddin Shah. This film has multiple star cast and no character is overshadowing the other one. This is how this film is beautifully written and directed by Seema Pava. Yes, this is the directorial debut of Seema Pava. I will definitely say Seema Pava has nailed it. I mean, she is a legend if I'm not wrong. And in only one house, this whole story is running and it is so engaging at the same time. There is no villain in the story. The only villain is the fragile human beings, their characters, and their relationships with each other. सुप्रिया पाठक is the most important role. She says, आज जब सब साथ है तो बहुत अकेला महसूस हो रहा है. ये सब कौन है? कहाँ आए हैं? किस जगह पे आए हैं? किसके लिए आए हैं? When she says that, it hits me because I have experienced it earlier. When you belong to a big family yet you live separately and once in a while you get together, no matter what the situation is, it is a sad situation or it is a happy situation, you always feel like a festival, you always feel like a celebration. This is exactly what has happened in this film, that everybody has come after a long time and meeting each other and they are feeling like they're having a celebration, which is not true. And this things hit Seema Pava and she is very upset about it. Now the connection between relationships, the connection between each other has simply narrated so beautifully and they are mocking, they're bitching about each other, and in the competition who gonna enter into the bathroom first, all are really engaging yet very funny. Actors like Kankana Shan Sarma, Vineet Kumar, Supriya Pathak, Prambhatra Chattopadhyay, Vikram Messi and are there, and all of them has very small yet very important role. This is a very beautiful example that they all are very big actors, but they have very small role in the film, yet they have acted so beautifully. What happens often when it is a regional cinema, if you are a big star or if you are a big actor, they generally don't get agreed to act in small roles, and this film is the biggest example that there is nothing called small roles and big roles. They are all characters and all are very important. In this film, I love this particular fact, how everybody has come together and created a beautiful film. You must watch this film for a beautiful story, even a more beautiful narration and star cast performance. I think everything in small budget, how a film should be constructed, this is the right example. This is a highly recommended film. You can watch it on Netflix and let me know what is your thought about it. I'll be waiting for your comment and let me know which web series or film you want me to see. I'll try to see that. And yeah, you should take care and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.